In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Squarespace website. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your existing site a fresh new look, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started on making your website truly yours. First, let's head over to your Squarespace homepage. Open up your browser and navigate to your Squarespace account. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Pages in the menu. This is where all the magic happens. Pages are like the building blocks of your site, containing all of the content that your visitors will see. Now, to add some new content, you'll want to click on Add. This is a great feature in Squarespace, allowing you to expand and customize your site with more pages. For this particular walkthrough, we'll select Blank Page. A blank page is like a fresh canvas, ready for you to fill with whatever content you desire. It's incredibly versatile, giving you full control over what you place here. With your blank page set up, click on Edit to start customizing. This will bring up the editing tools you need to get creative. Here you can click on Add Section. A section is a distinct area within a page where you can add different elements, such as text, images, or galleries. Try to think about how you want your content organized and just play around with different arrangements. Once you've added a new section, you'll have the option to either choose a pre-designed section or start with a blank one. If you're feeling particularly creative, adding a blank section allows you to populate it with elements tailored to your specific needs and style. For those moments when inspiration strikes, this can be a real asset. Next, let's click on Add Block. Blocks are the elements that fill your sections. Here's where the fun truly begins. You can add a variety of blocks, from text and images to buttons and videos, providing you with endless possibilities for customization. To keep things simple, we'll start by clicking on Text. This allows you to add and format the text you'd like displayed on your page. Now, to make it visually appealing, click again on Add Block and this time select Image. Adding images can bring a vibrant, dynamic look to your site, highlighting your content in a way that text alone cannot. After selecting the image block, click on Edit to manage the image placement and size. It's time to add an image to your site. Click on Add an Image and choose Upload File. Select an image from your computer that represents the theme or message of your website. Once you've uploaded your image, don't forget to click Save. This will ensure that all your hard work is secured. Remember, this is just the beginning. There are countless ways to customize your Squarespace website, tailoring it to perfectly represent your brand or personal taste. With practice and experimentation, you can create something truly unique.